The history of engineering is a very fascinating subject, and the remains of remote antiquity, as exemplified in the pyramids of Egypt, and of Stonehenge in our own island, testify to the early skill of men in matters relating to engineering, full stop. It was about the middle of the 18th century that the profession of engineering originated, and today it is one of the foremost in the world, full stop. There are many subdivisions such as military, mining, mechanical, civil, railway, sanitary and electrical, and as electricity is now so generally applied, it is necessary for most engineers to be electricians also, full stop. Electricians must understand what is meant by earth currents, eddy currents, electric currents, alternating currents, residual charge, resistance board, rotary transformer, or rotary converter, full stop, close.